Earning $1,000 per month by editing videos with Canva Pro or any other video editing software involves a combination of skills, strategy, and effective marketing. Here are steps you can take to achieve this goal. Learn video editing. Develop strong video editing skills. Familiarize yourself with the features of Canva Pro and other video editing tools. Practice creating visually appealing and engaging videos. Create a portfolio. Build a portfolio showcasing your best video editing work. Include a variety of styles and genres to demonstrate your versatility. Your portfolio can be a website, a dedicated section on a freelance platform, or a document with links to your work. Understand client needs. Identify your target audience and understand their needs. Whether it's businesses, content creators, or individuals, tailor your services to meet the specific requirements of potential clients. Set pricing and packages. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like the complexity of the project, the time required, and your level of expertise. Consider offering different packages that cater to various client budgets. Promote your services. Create a presence on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Develop a professional profile and clearly articulate the services you offer. Use keywords related to video editing to enhance your visibility. Build a social media presence. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn to showcase your work. Share snippets of your video edits, offer tips, and engage with your audience. Social media can be a powerful tool for attracting clients. Offer specialized services. Consider offering specialized services, such as editing for specific industries or types of content, for example, YouTube videos, social media ads, promotional videos. Specialization can set you apart in a competitive market. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate effectively with clients, and deliver high-quality work on time. Positive reviews and satisfied clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Network and collaborate. Network with other freelancers, content creators, and businesses in your niche. Collaborate on projects or offer your services to those who might need video editing. Networking can open up new opportunities. Upsell additional services. Offer additional services such as custom graphics, animations, or advanced video effects. Upselling can increase your overall earnings per project. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated on the latest trends in video editing, design, and content creation. Continuous learning ensures that you can offer cutting-edge services to your clients. Manage your time efficiently. Efficient time management is crucial when working as a freelancer. Ensure that you can handle the workload without compromising the quality of your work. Seek feedback. Request feedback from clients after completing projects. Use constructive criticism to improve your skills and services. Remember that building a freelance career takes time, and success often comes with persistence, dedication, and continuous improvement. Adapt your strategies based on the feedback you receive and the evolving needs of your clients and the market.